I'm Lucy Liu, a holistic health practitioner and a registered dietitian. Today, let's talk about the ultimate sugar destroyers. This is part 1. Insulin resistance is when the cells in your body stop responding well to insulin, which is a hormone that moves the sugar or glucose from your blood into cells for energy. This causes blood sugar to rise and makes your pancreas produce more insulin. Insulin resistance leads to high blood sugar and overproduction of insulin, significantly raising the risk for type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, heart disease, stroke. Now, alcohol, fatty liver disease, PCOS, and potentially kidney disease, vision loss, and nerve damage due to chronic hyperglycemia. It also causes chronic inflammation, which is the root cause of most health challenges. Dietary factors play an important role in insulin resistance, as we all know. A poor diet that is high in refined sugar and unhealthy fats, especially in processed foods, can contribute to insulin resistance. People often use a sweet tooth to cover their sugar cravings. But there are many reasons behind sugar cravings, such as mood swings, stress, hormone imbalance, etc. Let's first target the sugar cravings. Have you ever heard about gymnema? It is a woody vine native to India and Africa. It is known as the sugar destroyer, which gets its name related to the benefit of sugar metabolism. Its most well-known ability is to temporarily suppress the taste of sugar on the tongue and reduce sugar cravings. Gymnema has a long history of use in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for its various health benefits. One of the most components in the leaves of gymnema is saponin, which are molecules that help reduce cholesterol and fight against cancer. Saponins found in gymnema leaves are called gymnemic acids, which are responsible for their anti-sweet properties. Gymnema has antibacterial, cholesterol-lowering, liver-protective, and sugar-lowering properties. Gymnema contains active compound known as gymnemic acids, which interact with the taste receptors on the tongue and temporarily block the ability to taste sweetness. This mechanism can help those who have sugar cravings to reduce their sugar intake and manage their cravings. Gymnemic acids enhance insulin activity and reduce glucose absorption in the intestines. This makes it very appealing to individuals with diabetes or those who have insulin resistance. Gymnema has been traditionally used to support digestive health. It helps stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and improve nutrient absorption. Gymnema extract promotes the release of insulin from the beta cells of the pancreas by activating protein kinase and interacting with calcium channels. It also helps stabilize the stored insulin levels in the beta cells. Gymnema extract contains antioxidants that help break down fats, increase liver glutathione and catalase activities. Gymnema helps manage diabetes through a few mechanisms. It slows down the absorption of glucose in the gut, stimulates the release of insulin from the pancreas, regenerates beta cells that produce insulin, and balances the usage and storage of glucose in the body. Additionally, it prevents dental cavities from streptococcus bacteria. Gymnema's anti-inflammatory properties are attributed to its tannins and saponins, which help fight against inflammatory disease, including arthritis. Researchers suggest that Gymnema helps decrease inflammatory mediator release, which further reduces bone loss and relieves arthritic pain. Here are some amazing health benefits of Gymnema. Supports healthy blood sugar levels and reduces sugar cravings. Improves digestive functions. Aids weight loss. Reduces the risk of heart disease. Prevents oral cavities. Relieves arthritic pain. Modulates the immune system. The suggested dosage for Gymnema supplementation is around 100 milligrams 3 to 4 times a day. It is advised to start with a low dosage and increase your dosage gradually. You should pay attention to any reactions. Gymnema tea is a simple way to enjoy its benefits. You can get Gymnema tea online or at your local health food store. When used in moderation, Gymnema is considered safe for usage for adults, but it is not recommended for children or women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very high doses, over 1 gram a day, may lower your blood sugar to unsafe levels, which can lead to weakness, confusion, dizziness, and loss of muscle control. Allergic reactions may occur, especially in people who are allergic to plants of milkweed family. It is recommended to take the herb with your meals. If you take it on an empty stomach, it may cause stomach pain, nausea, and discomfort. Now let's talk about natural remedies to satisfy your sugar cravings, but they have very little impact on your blood sugar. Allulose is a rare sugar with a unique twist in nature. It belongs to a group of simple sugars called monosaccharides, which include fructose and glucose. However, allulose only contains 1/10 of the calories, but maintains a similar taste and texture of these sugars. Allulose has the same molecular formula as fructose and glucose, but the placement of chemical groups is slightly different. The rearrangement of chemical groups is capable of changing their physical and chemical properties. It is found in small amounts in fruits such as figs, raisins, and jackfruit. Unlike regular sugar, allulose is absorbed by the body but not metabolized, with 90% fewer calories than sugar. It is ideal for weight management since it has little to no effect on blood sugar levels. It is also a healthy sugar alternative for those who have blood sugar fluctuation issues. Consuming allulose doesn't lead to significant spikes in blood glucose, which are typical of other sugars. Allulose lowers blood glucose by increasing insulin release in response to the glucose spike post-meals. It also increases the efficiency of glucose transport into the cells and improves insulin sensitivity. It also suppresses glucagon release and increases glucose utilization in the liver without the blood sugar spikes. Allulose provides a more consistent energy level throughout the day. Allulose is quickly removed through the urine and cannot cross the blood-brain barrier. Therefore, it doesn't act on the central nervous system, which may be the concern for other sugars that can affect food intake and food cravings. Allulose is easily absorbed but has a very low glycemic index, which means it does not cause a rise in blood glucose levels. By promoting fat oxidation, allulose helps you burn more fat, which supports weight loss. Allulose decreases the amount of body fat tissue by increasing the activity of these three enzymes that break down fats: CPT1, CPT2, and beta oxidase. It also blocks the enzymes that produce fat molecules. Allulose promotes satiety by increasing the release of GLP-1, glucagon-like peptide 1, which travels through the bloodstream to the brain. GLP-1 receptors are located in the brainstem, hypothalamus. Their activation results in reduced appetite. GLP-1 also blocks the digestive system from emptying foods. This sends a signal to the brain to reduce hunger. Regular intake of allulose may lead to improvement in liver enzyme levels. Studies suggest that allulose can help decrease fat accumulation in the liver, which is a key factor for preventing and managing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Allulose decreases the amount of liver fat by reducing the levels of enzymes required for fat production. Allulose may function as a prebiotic that supports beneficial bacteria in your gut. According to research, a healthy gut microbiome is the key for your overall health. Unlike other sugars that are responsible for tooth decay, allulose doesn't contribute to bacterial overgrowth in the mouth, which reduces the risk of dental cavities. The amazing health benefits of allulose include the following: has minimal impact on blood sugar and insulin levels, promotes fat oxidation and boosts fat burning, supports liver function and prevents fatty liver, may improve gut health, reduces the risk of dental cavities. Allulose is generally safe, but a higher dose, up to 1 milligram per kilo, can cause nausea, stomach discomfort, headache, and lack of appetite. But it's a sugar. I don't think people will just binge on sugar. Based on recent studies, the FDA warned that the doses above 35 grams a day may cause GI discomfort. But that's likely not possible, that high dose. Now let's talk about another delicious fruit. Lucuma is an ancient fruit that is highly valued by the Incas and other indigenous communities. It holds a significant history and culture of ancient civilization and was considered a symbol of fertility, longevity, and sweet nourishment. The lucuma tree ranges in height between 25 to 50 feet and produces big white blossoms. It bears rounded or irregular oval-shaped fruits with a thin green skin, similar to an avocado. The fruit has a diverse appearance, from green to yellow skin and to bright orange flesh. Prized by ancient civilizations of Peru, lucuma is often called the god of Incas. Lucuma fruits have a taste similar to a combination of maple syrup, caramel, and sweet potato. The dried form tastes like a blend of apricots and dried goji berries. It sounds yummy from the description of it. Lucuma is a nutrient-dense new fruit that offers a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of potassium, which supports heart health and regulates blood pressure. It also contains calcium, iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Lucuma is often sold as a powder made from the dried and starchy yellow-orange fruit. It is known to offer a sweet taste, but without a concentrated amount of sugar content, which provides a healthier choice as a whole food-based sweetener. Due to its low glycemic index, it is often recommended for those with type 2 diabetes. Lucuma is packed with antioxidants, which help protect the body against free radicals and oxidative stress. These antioxidants, such as polyphenols, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, play an important role in reducing inflammation, boosting the immune system, and preventing heart disease. It is especially rich in lutein, a carotenoid group that helps promote eye health and eyesight. Lucuma is often used in skincare products due to its rich antioxidant and mineral content that promotes healthy skin and slows aging. Regular consumption of lucuma can help reduce wrinkles and improve overall skin texture. Lucuma is also rich in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity. It inhibits the activity of enzymes that increase post-meal blood sugar levels. Lucuma improves blood sugar management and reduces high blood pressure by blocking these enzymes. Lucuma also contains anti-cancer nutrients such as gallic acid, which works as an antioxidant and helps prevent cancer. Pectin and tannins are also present in lucuma fruits. Pectin has anti-tumor effect, and tannins can inhibit tumor cell growth and proliferation. Amazing health benefits of lucuma fruit include the following. It is a healthier, sweeter choice, especially for diabetes, due to its low glycemic index, rich in polyphenols, vitamin C, and carotenoids that have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and immune-boosting effects, protects vision with rich lutein and vitamin C content, boosts collagen production, and protects the skin from UVB light damage, aids digestion and prevents constipation with a high fiber content. Lucuma is often consumed fresh, when in season, or as a dried fruit. The powdered form is often sold on the market. The deeper the color of the dried powder, and more fragrant and aroma of the powder, you can incorporate into various recipes, including smoothies and desserts, to enjoy its amazing health benefit. Now let's talk about another delicious fruit, which is my favorite. Are you ready? Carob fruits grow on a carob tree or shrub. They produce bark pods that contain 8 to 12 brown seeds with a sweet flavor. Carob belongs to the legume family. The tree is native to the Mediterranean region, but it also grows in the States and other countries. These cultures often use carob to replace chocolate. The fruits are pods and contain the pulp and the seeds. The raw state of this fruit is bright green, and it hardens and becomes brown as it dries and matures. This fruit is rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols and has a similar flavor to cacao and chocolate. Carob is low in calories and is an excellent source of fiber, B vitamins, calcium, and magnesium. Carob contains 3 times more calcium than milk, which helps maintain a regular heartbeat and healthy bones. It improves bone density, strengthens the bones and teeth, and prevents fractures and osteoporosis. It also contains selenium, which helps maintain thyroid and immune function. Carob contains tannins and fiber, which improve gastrointestinal health and maintain a healthy gut microbiome. It can reduce diarrhea, heartburn, and vomiting. The tannins prevent the growth of harmful bacteria that cause SIBO, small intestine bacterial overgrowth, which is called SIBO. Both carob and cacao contain polyphenols. Research has shown that this antioxidant helps prevent heart disease and reduces cholesterol levels in the body. Carob is rich in antioxidants, which help improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Therefore, it plays a role in preventing cardiovascular disease because the antioxidants in carob prevent fat deposit in the arteries and decrease fat absorption in the body. The fiber content in carob also helps with weight loss. For diabetes, carob helps prevent spikes in blood sugar as it contains far less sugar and calories. It is also rich in fiber, such as pectin. Carob can help stabilize blood sugar by keeping blood glucose levels within normal range due to its low glycemic index. Carob doesn't contain caffeine and has a sweet flavor. Therefore, it can be used as an alternative for chocolate or cacao. It can be consumed at night without interfering your sleep. This is great news for those who are sensitive to caffeine. For example, you can use carob milk to replace chocolate milk because their flavor is quite similar and it does not contain caffeine. You can just simply add a teaspoon of carob powder to a glass of milk. And here comes your carob milk. Carob is also free from the oxalic acid found in cacao, which can cause kidney stones for those who has kidney stones. Being a member of the legume family, carob contains some anti-nutrients such as phytic acid and lactams, which are mainly found in the seeds. You can minimize them by avoiding the seeds. Heating also helps destroy these anti-nutrients. You can choose roasted carob powder over raw carob powder if you are sensitive to these anti-nutrients. Okay, now let's talk about the amazing health benefits of carob fruit in summary. Carob fruit are rich in polyphenols and fiber that help improve gut health. They help stabilize blood sugars for diabetes. They improve cholesterol levels and benefit cardiovascular health. They can help promote weight loss and support fat burning. They are caffeine-free as a healthy alternative to chocolate, which is my favorite. Carob can be used in powder form in recipes for cakes, puddings, and sweets. It can be used as an alternative for cocoa powder or chocolate. Carob can also act as a stool bulking compound without blocking mineral absorption from food. You can find a variety of delicious recipes containing carob online. I hope you enjoy the information. Please stay tuned for part 2. I offer many healing modalities, including holistic nutrition, TCM treatment, energy healing such as Reiki and Theta healing, intuitive readings such as medical palm reading, face and tongue reading, medical Vedic astrology analysis, quantum healing hypnosis, especially related to past life traumas and chronic health challenges. Please check a variety of healing modalities that I offer in the description box below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next episode.